Yeah, just waiting on payroll. So I'm pretty light even on the core positioning. Let's just let's just see where we're at. I mean, euro. Well, I guess we should start with the dollar. I always want you guys kind of starting with the dollar. I mean, we've done a lot of work already this week on it, but it's good to just refresh. So I still think we have a shot at making a long-term higher low here, right at the bands on the weekly cycles low. When it comes to the monthly cycle, though, we still may have a little bit more to go. Maybe before we turn up, it's closer to July. We'll see. It's the same thing on the euro. But these monthly cycles have been pretty good, right? I mean, each time it turns up, it's trended for a while. Each time it turned down, it was weak for a while. This has been essentially dollar's been, it's been a grind higher on the euro, weaker dollar ever since start of the year. I mean, we came in on the highs, so I think we're getting close though, guys, for another multi-month rally in the dollar. Getting pretty close. Um, Daily, we're just kind of going sideways here. We'll see if we can get back above pi. And again, these are areas, so even if we make a higher low, I think this is the election, Trump, 95.80. Anywhere in here, we could make a higher low, long term. And then when we go to the euro, which is pretty much the inverse, right? You can see the same thing, guys, on the monthly. It's getting higher, but the percent T is only 71, 72, so that can keep coming up. So maybe we do test that 113, 114. I guess maybe even all the way back to the spike high was 117. So can't rule that out. But we're getting closer to a long-term lower high, most likely. Again, we're above the weekly bands like we talked about yesterday. So that does leave some room for these highs up here. Weekly cycle's high, however. And then daily's going sideways also. I mean, this daily chart technically is bullish. We made a higher low here Tuesday. We did make a lower high. But guys, remember, first sign of what a market topping is failed to make a higher high. That happened right here. Right? Higher low, right at the bands. And then we did fail to make a higher high. So maybe the first sign that we're rolling over, but this is clearly the TMS here that we'd have to break before we get an intermediate term move lower, right? Does everybody see that? Yeah. Okay.